Hey everybody, I'm really excited about these new slippers I got. These are from Veracozy. Get a good look at them right here. From Veracozy. Now this is a sponsored video. They did send me these in exchange for my honest opinion on these Veracozy men's slip-on slippers, and I'm very excited about them. You can see right here, take a look right here, there's memory foam in here, so it's extremely comfortable on my foot. I was wearing them around my house. Now I have wood floors in my house, and walking around barefoot in my house is just very uncomfortable, so I need to have some type of sandals or slippers on. And in the evening time, slippers. Also, what I like about these is the non-slip rubber surface, so I can walk out to the mailbox to put the garbage out, you know, on the road at night with no problem. So even though these are, you know, indoor slippers, you know, walking out in the yard, walking out in the, you know, doing stuff with the dogs for a minute. So I'm pretty rough on my slippers when I have them, and these are just going to be just perfect for me. Now they come in all kinds of different colors. These are the black ones I got here, and they got their little logo tag right here, so it looks kind of stylish, right? You can see low on the back, so my heel, plenty of room, you know, my heel's not enclosed in the back. And again, nice and squishy, nice and squishy. So if you're looking for a nice, thick, attractive pair of slippers, cozy slippers, slip-on slippers for you or someone you know, and of course these make perfect gifts for gentlemen. So my family members, my spouse and my children have given me slippers in the past, and so always a winner for a gift coming up for gift time for the holidays. Nice slippers from Veracozy. If you're looking for some, these are the ones I got, and maybe they'll work for you.